Okay, we're back. This is hard. I'm not normal. Anyhow, we have a Pikmi-pop. We're doing I have a Pikmi-pop surprise. Don't miss. Do not miss. Whatever.
Are you
Don't
switching
miss.
sides? No, Bash. Don't touch the button. Come here.
Don't miss.
So let's open these. Junior got his Pokemon cards, so let's.
I'm not gonna open it.
You're gonna wait for Sophia to open hers first?
Yeah. I don't want me and Sophia talking at the same time.
Okay. Look at my donut.
Oh, it's shaped like a donut. Cute.
Yeah, we're supposed to break the needle, I guess. So
You break it?
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can also open it to get it yourself, but it's break.
Does it smell? You smell it already?
Ooh, smells good.
Oh, that smells good.
Oh,
Come here, Junior Bash.
That looks weird.
smells delicious.
Oh god, that.
Anyhow,
So
let's open my. Oh my god.
oh my god, that's a lot.
You gotta keep it.
I know, I'm trying to take this off.
Okay, let's open our surprise item number 1. Let's see what we get.
Oh my
god, this is so cute. Nini, come on, friend. Look how cute this is. It's a unicorn.
So put it
Wait, I think you can open this one. Oh my god, guys, you can open this. You can open these. Oh,
my
it had a precious little baby, guys.
Oh my god, that's so
It had a
cute.
little baby.
But
You can
have to
open it. You
have to
opened
open
it.
the stomach.
You can open it, Mom, and then there's a
Okay.
cute little surprise inside.
You open the stomach.
Kind of close you back up. Going on to our next bag.
Bash,
Wait.
don't touch that. Don't touch it.
Bash.
No. Cut it.
And we have another surprise item. I'm suggesting these are the stickers because I have another Pikmi-pop. Look how cute these stickers are. Stickers.
It's the same one as this one.
Surprise item number 3. Let's see what we get. We have our little things. Yes.
Oh my god, is this a big donut? You can, like, squishy.
This is our collector guide. So,
Ooh, that's a lot.
ooh. These are all the big donuts that we can get.
The case.
Oh my god, I want to get limited edition. Mom, I want to get limited edition. I've been waiting forever. So what we got that one, large. Anywho, so this guy's little name.
But,
Okay,
oh,
whatever.
you
We
can
don't need
open
that.
the door.
Open. Oh, this is not open. Let's open this. I thought this was another mini donut. I can just.
Oh wow,
Cute.
this smells really strong.
I know.
It does.
Oh my god, look how cute this is, guys. It's a little another one
Mom, smell
donut.
this one. Smell this one.
Ooh,
I
smells
don't
like
know
gum.
what this is.
Gum?
It's like bendy. And you can open it. It's like an eraser.
Well, that's an eraser. Oh, that's cool.
No, it said it looks like an eraser.
It looks like an eraser.
It's like an eraser. Smells delicious.
You give Jelly Total Tibbets. Smell.
Okay, guys, I think we opened everything.
Does it smell? You haven't
Okay.
opened this. The
Guys,
big,
ready for
the
the
grand
donut.
finale.
The grand finale donut.
Grand finale donut.
Oh, stop.
Yeah,
Please say you
it's
get limited
squishy
edition.
too.
Please say you get limited edition. Please say we get limited edition. And
Ooh.
what is this? Oh, it's cute. Yes. Look what we got. So it covers itself, and then you can open your little flap to see its cute little face.
Is that a little crab?
Yeah, it's one little crab.
And it goes like
And here's its case.
You got the moose.
That's a moose.
And it's rare.
Oh, we got a rare.
It says moose back here.
No. Let me look.
Oh no, this is the mouse is rare. Sorry.
Crazy.
I'm reading it.
Wait, this is a mouse?
No, it's not a mouse. It's a
It's a
crab.
mouse.
This is a mouse.
Oh. A whale.
Oh wow, what's all this stuff?
Oh my god.
We didn't get limited edition.
What? We did get a whale. That's the whale right there.
No, where is the hermit crab?
Bash.
Hermit crab.
Hermit crab, hermit crab, hermit crab, hermit crab. Wait, where's our hermit crab? Oh, it's on the side. Put him in.
Yeah, I can show
Oh my god, we got a rare. Is there any? Oh, there's no limited editions on this one.
Did it come with any other piece of paper?
No.
That's a lot.
Anywho.
You're gonna crush. Don't put that in your mouth.
You're craptivating. Berry glaze. That's what that one smells like.
Gosh, the
And then
Let's just turn the eat thing.
and then the purple thing was Tibbs, the grape jelly turtle. Did it come with a little paper like this? Because this little paper, it tells you what it is.
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, let me look at these.
Oh, you can actually crack these.
We didn't get a special
Well, that's why
dish.
she cracked it open.
I thought she smashed it open.
Large. No, those are the large ones. I was gonna get a large one, but I want to get them, so. Looks like the case is that one. That one. What is this one? Oh my god. Smells good. I would say it's not even on here.
Yeah, they didn't come with little papers. It doesn't look like it'd be in there.
Satisfying.
Yeah, guys, so I don't think it's in here.
All right, let Junior open his things and you quit creating more garbage.
Okay. Hey, where's my donut? He took my huge donut.
He took everything.
Okay, how do you open this?
No, don't. Mine. Mine.
Okay, this is hard.
He ate my cute little.
Just open this part.
Yeah.
Okay. I see this goes on your finger.
Put that on your finger. Okay, we're opening the wrapping. Ooh. Oh my god.
That was 8 minutes. I wonder if the donut case smells too. No, it doesn't. Oh my god! This is cute. Get in, you nasty crab.
Didn't know that was gonna happen. The exclusive card.
Oh, that's cool. What is it?
It's a, I don't know how to say it. Nectozima GX. Okay. Let's open the
Oh, I know what you do
plastic.
with these. And guys, I closed my little Pikmi-pop surprise.
And the sun and moon boning shadows.
Ooh, can I have like a box?
And the sun and moon boning shadows. And sun and moon guardians rising. And evolutions.
Can I help you open one?
Hey, I didn't get to help you.
You didn't ask.
Yeah, we can throw that piece of plastic. Put it to the side.
And cookies.
Yeah.
Wow. You can.
Bash.
Yes. This is the one I'm gonna be opening for my brother. He's in the way.
Evolution.
I'm so mean.
I'm gonna open.
I'm sorry, Dash. Can I just my game?
Soft inside.
It's not opening.
You don't know? Oh, okay, it's actually not opening. Okay, how do you open these? Fragile.
Don't bite them. Here.
How are you
Here.
biting them? Why are you biting them?
Sophia, don't bite. Give me the other bags. Don't look at them. They're not yours. Put it face down.
You didn't open this one.
Yeah, at the top.
Oh.
You guys.
Whoa, there's a lot of cards in this one.
Ew, it farted.
No, the baby pooped.
We got a
Oh yeah, 1-1.
Poliwag. A Poliwag. A Pikachu.
Old school Pikachu.
It's a... Yeah. What is it? A
Ponyta.
Ponyta.
Fart.
A Nidorina. Gold. Ooh. A Vulpix.
What?
A Nidorine King.
Oh, whoa. Oh my God. What is that?
I have some.
You have one like that? I've never seen one like that before.
Well, I think.
Wait, how much damage does it do?
120.
Jeez.
It's like.
I think
that's.
Oh my god, you know what? Let's do these.
Look! I am just amazed. A Beedrill. A Potion Trainer card. A Machoke. And a trainer. I don't even know how to say that. So that's for the first pack.
Still from the first pack?
Yeah, it's a lot. Ooh, not so. Not so close still.
That was good. That was close enough.
Wow,
Ooh, Simsage. How do you say it? Simsage? Simsage. I don't know. Electric. Electric?
I don't know, baby.
And a water energy. Nothing really special. Oh my god, it's a bee whale. It's a bee whale.
This is 120.
These Pokemon are creepy. This Pokemon's one of the creepiest.
How is it
Pokemon in the
creepy?
game.
It's happy.
It's one of the. It's one of the evilest Pokemon in the game.
But it's so cute.
But it's one of the evilest.
Evilest?
It's gonna poop. Look.
It's a Mariel. It's on the team. It's actually kind of nice to Ash because Beware steals Team Rocket. I don't even know.
All right.
Why. Ooh.
Wait a sec.
It's another electric.
But it's shiny.
Yeah. I don't even know.
Oh my god. Now that I have
Kingula. It's not that good.
now that I have more of these, I can do a role play. Or you know how people do those.
It's Ralts.
Oh.
The Pokemon you don't have on my.
I don't have it.
Go.
You're right.
Well, how much damage? 10. Draining kit. It evolves into a good Pokemon. It's fast too.
Okay, Junior, don't worry about the cards.
So, a Hoothoot. And at last, a Litecoin.
You have 2 more packs to go.
Yay! Yes. Dang, these have a lot of cards in them. I'm gonna beat my best friend in Pokemon cards now. How do... Okay. Another one.
Huh?
Another.
I guess you like eels.
I don't like them that much. Ooh, a Rhydon. The evolution. A trainee bodybuilding dumbbells. It heals, I guess. A dark energy.
Is that dark?
Yeah. It's a Heracross. I don't know how to say it.
It's okay.
I think Metapod.
Not shiny.
Shiny? No. Yep. Thank you.
Well, the
And
card is
another-
shiny.
Yeah. Another.
Rolls.
Rolls.
Outs. Rats.
NK.
It's basic.
How do you know?
I don't know. It just says basic right there.
Oh.
This one said it right up top. Basic.
Yeah, that's not where it shows.
Oh, it says basic.
Oh, okay.
Look, so this one's green. The
Yeah, I didn't even show them. Oh, it's a Dewspider.
Oh, basic as in the first. Okay, and then they have stage 1 for evolution.
And a Tangela. And a Hoothoot. And where is it? This one.
And go.
Ooh, a trainer field blower.
Kermit the Crab.
Oh, a Gothia. I don't even know how to say it.
Oh, she's cute.
Who? Hashtag Goku.
Hashtag ugly.
She's cute. She can slap you, dinner.
It's a trainer energy recycle.
Those are good cards.
What is it?
It lets you reuse your energies.
It's an item. Ooh, a fighting
Energy.
energy. Oh my god, it's a Machamp. It does 150.
Nice.
What?
This one kind of has like a shiny to it too.
Ooh, it's kind of shiny. It's a Vanish.
Ooh, this one is very holographic. I don't know, is that holographic? Shiny? Go show your dad. What would he call this?
A Machop that does 50. And oh my god.
Come on.
It's a Phantom.
Oh, creepy.
Holographic.
Holographic?
Holographic.
Ooh, it's a Bible.
Holographic?
It's a Bible.
Telegraphic?
The Bible.
Barboach?
Oh, I remember it. It was a baby in the show.
And it's a Carvana. Havana. Let's say it.
Oh, I just got this one on Pokemon Go on an egg today.
And a Talo.
All right.
You finished.
Okay. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Before you guys go. You are gonna help
have
me
to
on my
like-
adventures, baby.
No, you have to like to this Nectozoma. Zuma.
Necrozoma. Necrozma?
So guys, I think this is
You know, I feel like we need to call Uncle to figure out the proper way to.
I don't know how to
What did you say, Sean?
It's no chilies.
Necrozma?
Necrozma.
I guess Daddy knows.
Necromancy.
Okay, so this is a hermit crab, I'm thinking. It's a girl. Dang, look at all the This is a girl and it has a mother. But we need names for her.
Oh, they all say Moose. Okay.
Yeah.
I guess Moose is the company.
Yeah.
So can you make down some names for my poor little crabby?
Okay. We'll see. Bye.
Bye.
Stop being cringe.